What's good, lunatics? I hope you're doing well. We're going to check out Terra Luna 2.0 today. What's going on? Is it a sign from the devil? We're trading at $6.66 at the moment, up 13% on the daily time frame. And to be fair, my prediction for this was it was going to be trading between $5 and $10, and we're looking kind of like we are doing that at the moment. What's interesting is $1.4 billion market cap. We've got about 21% of the total capped supply in circulation at the moment. And what we want to really is to know is when is this going to launch on some of the major centralized exchanges such as Binance, Crypto.com, Coinbase, etc., etc. Well, couldn't find out much about the Crypto.com for now, but I did discover that actually crypto exchange Binance said in a tweet that it will list Terra 2.0 Luna in the innovation zone and will open trading for Luna USDT and Luna BUSD trading pairs at 6 a.m. UTC on May 31. So just tomorrow, basically, we should see maybe more volume come in for Terra Luna. So keep your eyes out on what might happen by tomorrow, because it could be a big catalyst on the price of Luna as well. As we see, Luna is currently, when it was launched on the exchanges, it did like a massive 6,000% increase on Bybit. Qcoin, it's come down already. We see this huge sell-off wick, and at the moment, just chilling on the 1 hour time frame now, we can see that we are trying to come back up to that $7.14 level as we're putting through constant higher lows and lots of consolidation around the kind of $5.20 to $5.87 range. So it is an interesting one really when you're looking at it like this. Is it going to still go up? Is it going to come back down after it's released on Binance? Will people just sell more in anticipation for this? Maybe this is what this pump is right now. It's people getting ready for the Binance launch. Looking at another exchange, Huobi Global, we can see that at the moment it's the same sort of story. We're putting through the higher lows and also the higher highs at the same time. $6.70. If we can keep putting through these tranches, looking like this. Wrong color. Wow. Thanks for the grey colour, guys. Maybe we can at least come up to the $7.40 mark. Now, I don't think it's super realistic. $7.40 is where I'd be looking, because it's almost like an accumulation cup range, almost like a cup and handle position. So it's very interesting to think what could happen from this particular trading activity. I don't know if $10 plus is going to happen soon. Ideally, I think it's better to trade sideways for a while and have the consolidation, because right now lots of volatility, stay risk averse. You see these massive impulses just time and time again. We get impulse, retracement, impulse. So you would assume that a retracement is now on the way because of this. So do stay very much aware of what's going on in the market. What's happened with Luna Classic as well? Well, this has just gone crazy as well over the last day. We came all the way down to 0.000079 and basically just deleted another zero and did 100% from that particular price. So the price has doubled over the last day. Absolute insane volatility. So just be careful on all these projects, because right now I see Luna 2.0, Luna Classic, and just anything Luna related right now, it's a bit rocky. So be careful. If you do want to grab some, you can use my link down below. Maybe access an exchange which will be listing it soon. But I would say tread very carefully with Terra Classic and also Luna 2.0 right now, because lots of volatility, lots of uncertainty. Looking at crypto bubbles today, we can see Bitcoin is back to $30.6K. Ethereum is at 1.9K. So we got that nice bounce in the market. Lots of fear as well, as we can see fear and greed index presenting us with opportunity once again. So is crypto going to get the bounce? Is Bitcoin going to avoid its 200-week moving average, or is it still inevitable? We don't know yet. But we could still get that bounce to the 40k mark before seeing continuation to the downside. I don't think we're getting any all-time highs this year. Absolutely not. I do think we are set for crypto winter. Lots of indicators such as the RSI, using the BLX chart or the Bitcoin chart, and comparing to the bear market of 2017, 18, and also the COVID-19 crash of March 2020 does reflect that we are pricing in a bit of a bottom. So it could be a long sideways trade and accumulation at these lovely discounted price levels. Before we go, guys, make sure you subscribe, comment, like, head down into the description below, navigate your way through to the Telegrams, Learn to Trade, and also the crypto news and insights if you want to stay up to date with the latest trends. See you there. Bye now.